hope you guys are doing well, and this is another of my Linux command line video. So today we are going to be learning about the cp command. So basically the cp command helps you to copy files and directories in Linux. So I have also posted a video on cp command, like in a whole combined video of Linux, command line for beginners. So you guys can also check that video out. It will be also given in the I button on the screen. But in that video I explained it to you, but in this video I am going to be dedicating it to only the cp command, and I am going to be teaching its functionalities, its options and all that stuff. So let's not talk any further and get on with the video. So first of all, we're going to be opening the terminal by clicking Ctrl-Alt-T. And now, so first of all, let's see how we can normally use the cp command with its option and stuff. So first of all, you of course have to write cp. Then you can write options, whatever option you will be giving. So I'm just writing options for the time being. And then you have to name the source of the file or directory, and then you have to give the destination. So basically what I mean to say is that if you are using the cp command, you have to first of all write the cp command, then you have to give it one of its options, for example -i or -v or any other examples, etc. Then you have to give the source of the file or directory you want to copy, and now then you have to give the destination you want to copy the file in. So this is the thing, and now let's start by putting out the commands. So now I'm in downloads, and in downloads, as you can see, I have two directories and a file, so txt file. So suppose I want to copy the content of this file, one txt, to another txt file that doesn't exist here. So what I'm going to be doing is, first of all, I'm going to be writing cp, then file1 dot txt, which is the name of the original file, and then I'm going to be giving the file name that I want to copy it into. So the destination. Suppose I want to copy it in file 2.txt. Now this file 2.txt does not exist. Now if a file or folder or anything does not exist, it will create one on its own. Now enter, and now as you can see, this file 2 and file 1 txt, the content of this file 1 txt will be copied into file 2 txt. So now to check that, first of all, let's cat file1.txt, enter, and I had stored the man mkdir with in this file. So that I did with redirection. So if you have not seen the redirection video, you guys can also watch the redirection video. It is you can also visit my channel, or you will also get it in the I button that you can find on the screen. So now I cat in file1.txt, I am seeing that it has the content of man mkdir command. So now let's cat file2.txt, and after doing that, as you can see, also this has been copied here. All the content, the man command has been copied here too, as you can see. Now I will just clear the terminal, and now we will move on to the next thing. So first of all, now let's see, now I'm going to be telling you, how to copy a file into a directory using the cp command. So first of all, as you can already see that I have two directories here, that is the directory 2 and directory 1. So I'm going to be just showing you what content is there in each of the directories. So first of all, I'm going to be doing ls directory 1. And as you can see, it is showing nothing. So my directory 1 is empty for the current time being. And I'm going to be just doing ls directory 2. And as you can see, I have 4 JPGs in here. So now, first of all, suppose I want to copy this file one, like txt file, to the directory 1. So simple, we just have to write cp and then we have to write our source, which in this case is file1.txt, and then the destination. So the destination is going to be, dir1 for this one. So now I'm going to be just again doing ls directory 1, and as you can see now, instead of being empty, it has copied file1.txt into it. Now this does not cut it, like just because I copied it from here doesn't mean that it will vanish from here. It just copied another file in directory 1. So now suppose you want to like copy multiple files at one time, like file1.txt and file2.txt at one time in within directory 2, where I already have 4 JPGs. So to do that, we're gonna just have to write cp, and then I'm gonna be giving the name of my multiple sources which is file 1.txt and file2.txt, and then I'm going to be giving my destination name. So in this case, it will be directory 2 for me. So dir2 and enter, and now I'm going to be doing ls dir2, and as you can see, along with the 4 JPGs, the file1 text and file2 text have also been added. So now suppose you want to, copy these 2 files in directory 1, but you already have like the file1.txt within directory 1. So and you don't want to overwrite this file1.txt with your previous file1.txt. So in that case, like this command will, if you give this command, it will overwrite. So in that case, you have to give this option or this flag, which is -i, which stands for interactive, and this asks you before overwriting your file1.txt. So now let's run the command, and as you can see, it is telling me cp overwrite directory 1 to file1.txt. So now if you give y here, it will overwrite, and if you give n here, it will not overwrite. So we are going to be of course giving n and enter, and now it is like since I gave n, it is only going to be copying the file2.txt, and it is not going to be copying the file1. It is not going to be overwriting the file1.txt in directory 1. So now I'm in directory 1, as you can see. So now I want to copy something from the downloads to the directory 1. But my original file is in downloads, but I'm in a directory inside downloads. So how am I going to do that? Is first of all, I'm going to be of course writing cp and then ... which indicates cd ... remember, this indicates you are going to the folder back, and now slash file 1.txt, and then I'm going to be giving my second file name, file2.txt, and now I'm going to be just giving a dot, which indicates the current directory. You guys can also write dir1 if you wish to, but you can just also point it out with a simple dot. Now enter, and I'm going to be giving ls, and as you can see, since I didn't give the -1 -i flag here, the interactive flag. So that's why it has overwritten the files, file1.txt and file2.txt. So hope you guys got to learn something new from this video, and please do subscribe and share this video to more of your friends, and press the notifications bell, because I will be giving more of these videos of Linux command line. So keep following my channel. Thank you for watching.